MagPad is a drawing tablet that your child is sure to love. The MagPad's bead board is a canvas, ready to be filled using the included magnetic stylus. The reusable MagPad is excellent for drawing shapes, practicing letters, and creating patterns. The beads lock into place with a satisfying snap. And with the press of a finger, erasing is just as fun. The grid is made of individual wheels, each containing its own metal bead. The magnet at the end of the stylus pulls the bead to the top of the wheel, where friction keeps it in place. The metallic spheres are locked inside the plastic case, so you don't need to worry about those beads going everywhere. This portable tablet is perfect for doodling on long road trips. And it's safe and fun for kids ages 3 and up. Come on now, buy the mess-free, waste-free magnet tab drawing tablet now.